Ready to supercharge your YouTube channel and send viewers exactly where you want them to go. Let's dive right into adding clickable links to your YouTube video descriptions, a simple trick that makes a huge difference. First, head over to YouTube Studio. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of YouTube and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the studio, navigate to the Content tab on the left-hand side. This is where all your videos live. Find the video you want to edit, hover your mouse over the video's thumbnail or title, and you'll see a few icons appear. Click on the Details icon, which looks like a pencil. This will take you to the video's details page where you can edit everything from the title and description to the tags and thumbnail. Now, scroll down until you find the description box. This is where the magic happens. Simply type or paste the URL of the website, resource, or social media page you want to link to. The key here is to make sure you include the full URL, including the HTTPS or HTTP. YouTube automatically recognizes these full URLs and converts them into clickable links once the video is live. Write a compelling call to action around the link, such as visit my website for more info, or check out this awesome resource. This encourages viewers to actually click the link. Once you've added your clickable links and your call to action, scroll up to the top right corner of the page and click the Save button. That's it. Now, when viewers watch your video, they'll see the clickable link in the description, making it easy for them to access whatever you're promoting. This boosts engagement and drives traffic exactly where you want it.